Crypto 101, everything you need to know to get started with cryptocurrency. Are you curious about cryptocurrencies but don't know where to start? In this comprehensive beginner's guide, we'll break down everything you need to know to get started with cryptocurrency. From understanding the basics of blockchain technology to buying your first Bitcoin, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of digital currencies and empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Perfect for beginners and those looking to refresh their crypto knowledge. Don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and dive into the future of finance with us. Welcome to Crypto 101, your ultimate guide to understanding and getting started with cryptocurrency. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will cover everything you need to know. Let's dive in. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain, which makes them decentralized and secure. Understanding blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency. It is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency and security, making it difficult for any single entity to control or manipulate the system. Major cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, but some of the most well-known include Bitcoin, the first and most valuable cryptocurrency, Ethereum, known for its smart contract functionality, and others like Litecoin, Ripple, and Cardano. How to buy cryptocurrency? Buying cryptocurrency is easier than you think. First, choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Create an account, verify your identity, deposit funds, and you're ready to buy your first crypto. Remember to start with small amounts and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Storing your cryptocurrency. Storing your cryptocurrency securely is crucial. You can use a variety of wallets, including hardware wallets for maximum security, or mobile and desktop wallets for convenience. Always ensure your private keys are safe and never share them with anyone. The risks and rewards. Cryptocurrency investment comes with risks and rewards. Prices can be highly volatile, and while some investors have seen substantial gains, others have faced losses. It's important to do thorough research and understand the market before investing. The future of cryptocurrency. The future of cryptocurrency is promising, with increasing mainstream adoption and innovative applications of blockchain technology. From decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, the possibilities are endless. Conclusion. Cryptocurrency is revolutionizing the world of finance, offering new opportunities for investment and innovation. By understanding the basics, you're now equipped to start your crypto journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's explore the future of finance together. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and happy investing.